Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Hotjar via Microsoft SSO, complete guide step by step clearly. First, open your preferred web browser. Type in the Hotjar website URL. Click on the login button located at the top right corner of the page. You will be directed to the login page. Look for the option to log in using Microsoft SSO. Click on the Login with Microsoft button. A new window will pop up asking for your Microsoft account details. Enter your email address associated with your Microsoft account. Click on the Next button. You will be prompted to enter your password. Type in your password and click on Sign In. If prompted, complete any additional security checks, such as multi-factor authentication. Once logged in, you may be redirected back to Hotjar. You should now have access to your Hotjar dashboard. If you face any issues during the login process, double-check your email and password. If problems persist, consider reaching out to your organization's IT support team for assistance. You are now ready to use Hotjar with your Microsoft SSO login. Enjoy optimizing your website with Hotjar's powerful tools. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.